God creates every person with a unique and special purpose, just as He had planned to make a great nation of Ismail. The two demon-possessed men were forced to live in the tombs as they were unwanted by society. They were shamed and isolated. Sarah could not bear a child, so she felt humiliated and lonely. Hagar was banished because she had held Sarah, her mistress, in contempt. Similarly, childhood experiences or upbringing can make us believe we are worthless and deserving only of shame. I too was possessed by two demons, shame and unworthiness. Whenever people asked me about my dreams and plans, these two finds bombarded me with one cynical voice. What will you do with all those great things you seem to desire? The voice prevented me from doing anything worthwhile or try anything new. In fact, these two demons crippled me emotionally. God has created us with bright plans, but we are often unable to experience or even see them. Do we have demons preventing us from realizing God's plan to make us great? Or are we settling for less because we fear happiness and fulfillment? Even hopeless cases like Sarah, Hagar, and the two demonics finally came into their own.